3,000 miles from home, trying to say.
So we are at Serieria Island, or Long Island to give it its easier to pronounce name. And we arrived here with Chasing Eden, the Wholesome Sailors. But since we've been here, 4 other boats have joined us in the anchorage, which is lovely. Because it's really nice to meet fellow cruisers. We've enjoyed a barbecue on the beach, celebrated a significant birthday, but we're all here for one reason. Everything and everyone is going south, but not everybody's going to make it. This is Rob, and I'm Rachel, and these are our boys, Finn, Declan, and Ivan. We have sailed our catamaran Javelo across the Pacific Ocean. We would love it if you join us for the adventure. Every year from May to July, 30,000 humpback whales make their way up the coast of Western Australia to their breeding grounds off the Kimberley coast. Then, come September, they, like us, migrate south again. We are slowly heading back to the Perth area, but the humpbacks have a much longer journey to Antarctica, this time with calves in tow, making them targets for sharks. We'd already encountered a recently dead whale while we were sailing at the Rolly Shoals, replete with feasting sharks. Here on Long Island, we came across a smattering of bones from a long dead whale who, for whatever reason, never made it home. 2 reasons why we've come down low. One is to get out of the wind because it's very windy on the weather side of the windward side of the island. And the other is to show you this here. This is a whale's jawbone. Look at me. I can fit inside his jawbone, all of me.
Yeah, but you're a mere slip of a girl, Rachel.
I am but a slip of a girl, but it's amazing. I think it's a blue whale. Rob thinks it's a humpback. I think it's a baby blue whale. And they get attacked all the time along this coast. That's a seagull who wants to get in the jaw too, but he can't. It's hard for him.
Well, it's claim to fame.
Yeah, hello there.
It's 15 minutes.
Tiger sharks and great whites attack the mothers and calves as they come up the coast here and go down the coast. I don't know for sure, but just I've been looking at the shape of it, and it's kind of quite long.
I think it is, yeah. Yep.
So now you're saying it's maybe a baby blue?
No. Oh, I thought you meant jawbone. Okay.
Oh yeah, no, it's definitely a jawbone.
Yeah.
The jury's out what kind of whale it is. Here we are, down low again, with the rib bone. Just one rib bone of said whale. Here's a shot of Robert lying inside of the rib.
Beside it, from above.
A drone shot. Poor old whale. These are old bones, weathered bones, sitting in the sun. Who knows? Who knows what age it was, how big it was? All we can say is it's dead now, for sure.
Yeah. Life and death.
Life and death.
You see a lot of the cycle.
Yep.
Okay. Next.
Let's go for a run.
Let's go for a run. See ya. It's all good?
That's very nice. Smells lovely.
Okay, Declan, tell me what you're doing.
Cooking.
Why? What inspired you to suddenly take up the pot and wooden spoon?
Boredom.
Yes, perfect. That's what we want, more of that boredom in our lives.
I was only able to do it because of my phone and internet, so.
Oh, true, because why? Explain.
Because I had to download the app and then find this.
What app?
An app, a cooking app.
Oh, cooking app, okay. And you found the recipe on the app. And you suddenly got, what, hungry? You decided to cook it? And you sourced the ingredients, which are?
Bacon, chicken, garlic, onion, pepper, tomato, spinach, and milk.
Okay.
Pasta as well.
So, you're doing a pasta food dish thing.
Yeah.
Excellent. Love it. Look forward to that.
Pizza done.
Okay. What do you have for me, Declan?
Dinner, or early dinner, lunch, dinner. Try it.
Ready even with the garnish.
Pretty good. It is pretty good, eh? I know it is good because I smelt it and it smells good.
It's okay.
What have we here? Even got a bit of a garnish. The green thing on it. Is that coriander?
Yeah.
Looks very tasty. It's my first. So Declan has created this masterpiece off his own bat. He just decided out of nowhere to cook dinner for us. Late lunch, early dinner. Here we go.
Try it, Vic.
Nice flavour. Nice flavour. Bacony. Cheesy. You put much cheese in this?
Yeah. Fair bit.
It's almost like a kind of a bacony macaroni cheese, isn't it?
Yeah.
With a bit of chicken. It's good. Thank you, Declan.
If you enjoyed this episode, please comment, give us a thumbs up, and best of all, share it. It helps us heaps.
Come on.